Here's my status report for my senior project. There's the title, me as the team member, and then GitHub link. It's on track still. I spent about 9 hours on it this week. Uh, that makes it 21 to date total. Roughly 110, I would say, until it's like a completed app. This week I completed the entire UI design from start to finish with specifications and wireframes for 40 screens of the Android app, and I started to work on the API design part of my project. Uh, Next week's my goals for next week are to completely do the entire design of the API so that it fits the needs of the app, and then I want to build on the database, like make any changes I need to it, just so that it fits, so that it will fit with the API however it needs to. And then the sped talk this week was pretty good. It was a good reminder of importance of data quality. So I don't have any challenges or blockers or questions or other comments right now. So for my demo, uh, over here on the left is where that's a screenshot of kind of like what the instructions file for the I created using a tool called AALang. Um, um, it's 800 lines long in total, and that's those are the instructions used for the AI that did all of the design stuff. So it I went through a clarification mode where I told it this is what I expect the app to have, this is what it needs to include, and then it asked me like clarifying questions and stuff like that. And then I finished the clarification, and then it goes through and just goes back and forth with UI design and quality assurance, just back and forth with each other until they get to a point where they're like, yeah, it's good. There's no, there really isn't anything else we can do to make it better. And then it moves on to the next part where it generates the wireframes and specifications, and that's what this one over on the left is. That's what each of those files looks like, and it made about 40 of them, each with this like sort of mock-up of a wireframe. It's in ASCII art because the AI isn't able to generate images, but it's still able to do this. And then it also has a bunch of like component specifications, and then navigation like requirements, and color, like things in it about like this is what we suggest the color schemes look like and stuff like that. And it even includes like size, padding, height, everything for each part of the screen. So that's the entire UI done now. And that's it.